What's up, guys? How you guys doing? I'm doing all right, and we're back with another video. And today we got some crawfish, and of course I got some corn, potatoes, and a little sauce. Okay, so I did a video on the place where I went get them from. If you are in Louisiana and you want to get some of these, be sure to leave down their information in the description box down below, and let's get into this video. So let's dig in. Let me dump this out first. They had more potatoes than this, but I told them to take some out because I didn't want all that. I didn't want to eat all that. So this is 3 pounds of crawfish. They're so spicy. No, I'm gonna put the let me know in the comments down below if y'all know how to eat crawfish. If y'all like crawfish. I ain't gonna say eat it. I know some people are allergic to it, but I know some people would say they ate it before, but they didn't like it. And want some? Good, right? Okay, so I know some people don't know how to peel crawfish, so I'm gonna show you. It's like this. Some people don't suck the head. Some people do suck the head, but I'm gonna suck the head because I've been doing it. It's like a bite and suck kind of thing. So you peel one side. Sometimes it just come off whole, and it's just like that. So you squeeze. Sometimes I do like that too. Or you go to the front, pull, dip. But so how you guys doing today? Right now it is currently, I want to say it's about 7, 8. I told a friend that I wanted some crawfish, and he told me what he asked me. He said, "How much you want?" I'm gonna show y'all the sauce. Bring this closer to me. This is so good, y'all. I told you in my last video that I wanted some snow crabs. And I went over there and I asked them if they had snow crabs, but they didn't have none. So I had to settle for some crawfish. I had to settle. I was craving for some snow crabs too. Corn. Oh, I didn't even do a thumbnail. Wipe my hands first. We're gonna do this. Or we could do this. Okay. So, what we gonna talk about, you guys? What are we gonna talk about? How you guys doing? I think I'm gonna do I don't know. I want to say next week, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna save the pause for after. That one didn't have nothing. So let's talk about something. Well, I know some people don't like when you talk during videos. So we're gonna talk a little bit, and I'm gonna eat mostly. That's a habit to eat the pause. Ooh, that was spicy. Got one. I was told that Wingstop had maggots in it. Right. People so disrespectful. Like, they know I'm making a video, like, and I'm not cutting none of this out. I'm not. I'm gonna edit it, but I'm not cutting nothing out. I'm not. Because if I keep, doing stuff like that, y'all gonna be like, oh, she hiding something. And I'm not. This crawfish is really big. Like, they getting to the point where I just look at them like, Beginning to be too much. That big crawfish. And this. My pellet. Here y'all go. I hate that when I be eating crawfish, I feel like I cut myself. And after I clean my hands and stuff, I have a cut. But before I start eating crawfish, I don't have no cut. Something be poking me. I don't really want to talk much because I feel like when I talk, I be getting full faster. But I'm beginning to get full. And I think I have like Let's see. This one right here. So I have all these peelings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 crawfish. Excuse me. So yeah. Comment down below if y'all like crawfish. I just want to see how many people like crawfish. Look at that, y'all. That's meat in it. Look. Oh, man. Let's see. Nope. Fail. Oh, look at that. Y'all see it? The same way. And you peel it back. And boom. See? That only work with big paws. That don't work with small paws like these. That's not gonna work with those. Y'all, I'm getting full. And the video is starting to be too long. And I don't want it to be too long. So this is gonna be my last crawfish. And I'm gonna eat one potato. But I'm gonna share this one with y'all, the last one. The last one before I sign out is gonna be yours. With the sauce on it. Here you go. Good, right? I know, right? So good. So here you go. So I'm gonna be signing out. I'm full. I'm really full. Okay guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified every time I post another video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.